This quick honest review is of the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. Let me show you. So this particular water flosser is by Waterpik, the main sort of brand of water flossers out there. This particular model was replacing one that had been used for a number of years, and I wanted to get something that was that you plug in and would deliver a strong jet of water each time. So this particular one, I do like that. It has the setting left side here where you just adjust the pressure from right up to 10. It's got a little on and off switch in the front as well, and you get a bunch of different types of Waterpik flossers themselves here that come with it. I typically just use the standard one. The others are for if you have sort of braces or things like that to get into sort of specific areas like that. Anyway, this one does come in a few different colors. There's like a white, there's a black. This is their navy blue color. So yeah, just chose that color. No real reason for that, just like the color. So it has 10 pressure settings. It's also got the two modes. There's floss and massage. The container itself contains it's 22 ounces of water. So that's definitely going to be enough for to get your teeth really clean. And it has a 1 minute timer with 30-second pacer, just to make sure you're getting through everything. Yeah, this overall, I mean, I've been using Waterpiks for quite some time. Really helps with your dental health regimen. So highly recommend it. If you're not doing it yet, yeah, start it. It will really help your dental health. The brand Waterpik, can't go wrong with that. Really, it's the market leader. This particular model is the one that I chose. They have a number of different models and portability and things like that. But this one has what I liked it as the high pressure, got the floss and massage, 22 ounce container as well. So yeah, not having to refill the container, just once each time. So price point, you can get them on Amazon actually for the list price is around about $100. Check on Amazon. Sometimes they got sales and deals and things like that. You can save some money there as well. I was able to get this one on a sale for around $70, so that was great. It's obviously cheaper than buying it direct from the company. So yeah, all in all, highly recommended. This is the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.